Welcome to Saw Mania, my very own talk show. Would you like to play a little game? Next we have a very important person. Her name is Melissa. Melissa, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Jigsaw.
So Melissa, I tortured you about 4 years ago, is that correct?
Yeah, it is.
How has your life been since I was done torturing you?
Pretty good.
The question is, would you like to play a little game?
No.
So Melissa, why did I torture you in the first place?
Because I kidnapped some kid for candy.
Okay.
Which I still don't understand. I mean...
This is crap. Is it true that after you escaped, you turned into a good person?
Yeah, sure.
Everyone clap, that's very good. So, what are you going to do with your life now?
Oh, you know, I'm working at the hospital.
That's very good. You
Yeah.
see, I'm a very good person. So what was the worst, what was terrible about what I did to you?
The fact that I pretty much almost died. That sucked. Pretty bad.
So, how do you feel now that you've survived that?
Pretty much the same.
Isn't that great? Clap. I need a beer. So, how's it going?
Pretty good.
How's your husband doing?
Yeah, I don't know where he went.
He's next. I'm gonna get him next.
Please do.
So anyway, what do you feel about my talk show? Is it cool?
Yeah, it is the coolest talk show ever. You know, can you tell me one thing? What's that over there?
What?
No, nothing. I thought I saw a spider. Never mind.
High five, you're a great person. Do it again. Oh, too slow. Don't use captured by Jigsaw.
Yeah.
So would you like to play a little game?
No.
You know, it's not easy, everyone thinking that I'm a criminal. I'm a bad person. Thank you for making time to come on the show.
Mhm.
When we come back with this break, we're going to be talking to somebody else that I screwed up. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Jigsaw,
Yeah.
come here.
Yeah.
Just come here with me.
Yeah.
I just want to thank you for everything,
Well, it's my job.
You're just such an awesome person.
It's my job. Oh!